Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about how DialMyCalls can be used by restaurants for mass texting. Once you've signed up for an account and have verified your number to use for texting, you can use a few different methods to start gathering text message opt-ins for your restaurant. The first method we will go over will be creating an SMS keyword to gather opt-ins for your restaurant's marketing campaign. From the dashboard, click on Keywords and then you will be able to create your own custom keywords. Keywords will be attached to your local or toll-free vanity number that you will be using to send text messages. When you create a keyword, you will select the contact group that people who text your keyword to your vanity number will be added to. We will take a look at the contact group once we go over our second option for gathering SMS opt-ins. If you do not want to use the keyword method, then you can use our second method, which is to create an opt-in form that you can use on your restaurant's website. To get to the opt-in forms, click on Integrations and then Opt-in Forms. From here, you can create a brand new opt-in form and customize the data that is collected. Just like the SMS keywords, you will also choose a contact group that the opt-ins will be added to. Now that you have selected the method to collect SMS opt-ins, every time someone opts into your DialMyCalls account, they will be added to your contact group for opt-ins. To see those contacts, click on Contacts and then Groups, and you will see how many people have opted in to receive your restaurant's text messages. With your newly opted in contacts, it's now time to send out a marketing message. To create a text message, click on Broadcast and then New Broadcast. You will see 3 broadcast options. Choose Text Message and click Next. Now you're going to click on Groups and then select the group of people that have opted in to receiving your messages and click Next. Go ahead and select your verified texting number from the dropdown, and you can select a text message template you've already created or type out a new text message. Click Next to proceed. Choose whether you want to send your broadcast immediately or at a later date and time. Name your broadcast, which is strictly for your records, and click Next. Ensure all of the information for your text broadcast is accurate on the confirmation page, and then click Confirm and Send. On the next page, you are able to generate a social media link for your text message if you choose to do so. Otherwise, go ahead and click on Broadcast and then Broadcast Reports to view the outcome of your text message broadcast. Click on Text next to the broadcast name to view the full report. You will see the status of every text message and have the ability to generate a downloadable CSV report to keep for your records. And that's it. You just use your DialMyCalls account to send out text messages for your restaurant. If you have any additional questions, please contact us toll-free at 800-928-2086 by email at support@dialmycalls.com or via live chat 7 days a week.